Students, this question was asked in the year 2021 in NEET exam from chapter 4 of class 11, that is from the chapter of laws of motion. A small block slides down a smooth inclined plane starting from rest at time t is equal to 0. Let Sn be the distance traveled by the block in the interval t is equal to n minus 1 to t is equal to n. Then the ratio Sn by Sn plus 1 is how much we have to find out, students. So Sn is the distance, Sn is the distance traveled by the block in the interval t is equal to n minus 1 to t is equal to n. What does that mean, student? That is, Sn is the distance traveled in the nth second. Okay, student? Nth second. And what is the formula? Formula of the distance traversed by a body, equation of motion we have studied, S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Okay, student, the body is starting from rest at time t is equal to 0. So this means u is equal to 0. But let us first find out the formula for the distance traversed by a body in the nth second. That is Sn. So if this is S is equal to ut plus half a t square is the distance traversed by a body in t seconds, then student, what will be Sn? Sn will be equal to u n plus half a n square, the distance traveled in n seconds, and distance traveled in n minus 1 seconds will be equal to u into n minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 whole square. And what is this? If we will expand this, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we write here n square plus 1 minus 2n. Okay, student? So, student, what will be Snth? Snth will be equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. The distance traveled by the block in nth second is the distance traveled by the block in n seconds minus the distance traveled by the block in n minus 1 seconds. So, student, we have to minus these two things. So, this will be equal to Snth will be equal to what is Sn? Sn is given here un plus half n square minus this Sn n minus 1 is u into n minus 1 plus half a. Let us expand this n square plus half a, and this half and minus 2 cancel each other, and this becomes minus na. Okay, student? So this will be un plus half a n square minus this is un minus u, this minus plus u, this minus half plus minus half n square. This becomes minus half a, and this becomes plus n minus minus plus na. So this half n square, this half n square cancels, un cancels. So what is left, student? U minus half a plus na. If we take a by 2 common here, a by 2 plus a by 2 common, then this will be 2n minus 1. Okay, student, we may write this as this. So we may write as nth, the distance traveled by the body in nth second is u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. And you see, student, what is u? U is 0. So you may simply write as nth is equal to a by 2, 2n minus 1 for this case. So, student, what will be Sn plus 1? Sn plus 1 second? That will be equal to a by 2 into 2 into n plus 1. In place of n, we will write n plus 1 minus 1. So, this will be equal to a by 2 into this is 2n plus 2 minus 1 equal to a by 2 into 2n plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So, a by 2, 2n plus 1. Okay, student, and it is asking the ratio of Sn by Sn plus 1. So, what will be Sn by Sn plus 1? You see, student, Sn is given here. We have found out what is Sn. This is Sn. And Sn plus 1 is this much. So Sn by Sn plus 1 will be equal to a by 2 into 2n minus 1 by a by 2 into 2n plus 1. So this a by 2 cancels. This will be 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1, which is given in option C. So option C will be correct, students, for this question.